What? What's up, people? What's up? Anybody that's still listening to me at this point. The comedy's been sucked out of the show because I've been trying to just draw you to the website where all the magic happens, where I go live and you get to see the true insanity that I could bring on a daily basis. So I want to thank the New York Mets for making this a good week already. Coming from a sports gambling mentality, I think I told you that I like to just bet against one team. Good thing I stopped betting against the Yankees because they never lose. They'll have their losing streak, but the Mets are just a massive enigma. Just like the stock market, looking to cause max pain to their fans, just like the stock market tries to cause max pain to the investors. Max pain is what I've been basing every trade I've been doing lately. Whenever the market gets to a point where it looks like it wants to do one thing, you have to go the opposite way. Just think, how would the market cause the most pain to most people, and that's what it's going to do. So we have an 8-day rally. Just when we think we're going to break out, we start selling off. Just when we start selling off, we look like we're going to fall off the cliff. That's when we start to rally. So now we have earnings season. So every single day will be tragically completely the opposite of the previous day, just to make it that much more impossible to make money right now. So yesterday, as I'm trying to sit there and stay short, the market keeps rallying. And then we've sold off. I looked in, I saw the market was selling off and looked like we were going to go negative. Next thing you know, we're ending at the highs of the day. Max pain. But considering I thought we were going to go down for 8 days in a row, I'm not going to be distracted by one day. So when the earnings came out for IBM, of course, I don't know how to interpret the earnings and the revenues and this, that, and this miss. They can interpret it any way they want. But if we're going to start interpreting earnings right now as negative, as soon as ATHR came out with earnings, I ran to short some Broadcom. Now, we all know Broadcom. The stock has been resilient throughout all the sell-offs. It's been resilient through mostly everything. Had their earnings, they spiked on the earnings, came down, went back up. So now we're at the point where we have to be looking only to be buying puts on earnings reports. And that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to look around for some stocks that we can buy puts on. Now, obviously, with the market weak, the puts on companies that are going to be reporting earnings will be juiced up, therefore making it that much more difficult to be buying options into reports. So that's why we might look to stocks after they report to get either more hammered or make some snapback. So right now, the Broadcom, covering it right here. I didn't get a much. I tried hitting it at 3660, 3680. I got printed at 3650 yesterday, covering it here at 3565. So, but I do say one thing, is if we're going to start going down for 8 or 9 days in a row, don't look at you missed the boat, an opportunity that day when the market was getting hammered. Don't look at this gap down as a missed opportunity. Let's just look at it as an opportunity. As if the market somehow rallies up and makes some move onto the upside today, we're going to short right into that. But the scary thing is, all I'm going to be doing right now is looking for stocks that I need some revenge on. Broadcom was one of them. I didn't like that it went to 37 without me. Apple is Apple. It's all about their news they're going to release with their new iPhone problems and whatnot. So come to the website, hang out with us. It's not only about me, everybody that's been calling me an egocentric, self-important douchebag. My boy Fatty's been running it, and I need to talk to you, Fatty, about banning our boy Harvey, because you need to have Harvey on the website. All right. See you guys.
I would much prefer Krull.